Welcome to Make Money King YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI video generators, innovative tools that leverage artificial intelligence to create captivating video content. Let's explore some noteworthy AI video generators known for their capabilities in transforming the landscape of visual content creation. Number 10. Artbreeder. Artbreeder is a creative platform that utilizes GANs to blend and manipulate images. While its primary focus is image manipulation, it has been used creatively to generate unique video visuals. Artbreeder provides a playground for artists and creators to experiment with AI-generated content. Number 9. NVIDIA GAN. NVIDIA GAN is an AI-powered tool that transforms rough sketches into photorealistic images. While it's not specifically tailored for video, it showcases the potential of AI in generating visually stunning content. It's worth keeping an eye on NVIDIA's developments in integrating GAN-like capabilities into video creation tools. Number 8. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform designed for turning text content into engaging videos. It employs natural language processing and computer vision to analyze text and automatically generate video scenes. This tool is particularly useful for content creators looking to repurpose written content into visually appealing videos. Number 7. Runway ML's Munit. Munit, within the Runway ML ecosystem, is a powerful tool for multimodal unsupervised image-to-image translation. It allows users to manipulate videos by changing artistic styles, colors, and more. Munit's versatility in transforming visual elements adds a unique dimension to video content creation. Number 6. Wombo AI. Wombo AI is a fun and user-friendly app that uses AI to animate faces and generate lip-synced videos. While it may not be as advanced as some professional tools, it has gained popularity for its entertaining and easy-to-use features, allowing users to create amusing AI-generated videos. Number 5. Deep Dream. Originally developed by Google, Deep Dream is an artistic AI tool that uses neural networks to transform images into surreal visual landscapes. While not exclusively designed for video generation, it has been applied creatively to individual frames within videos for unique effects. Number 4. Runway ML's StyleGAN2. StyleGAN2, an extension of Runway ML, enables users to generate and manipulate both images and videos using generative adversarial networks, GANs. It is known for its ability to create high-quality, realistic visual content. Number 3. DALL-E by OpenAI. While DALL-E gained prominence for image generation, OpenAI has been exploring extensions of this technology for video generation. Keep an eye on OpenAI's developments as they delve deeper into the possibilities of AI-generated videos. Number 2. DeepArt.io Video Generator. DeepArt.io has made a mark in the AI space with its deep learning algorithms that can transform videos into visually stunning artistic creations. The platform's use of neural networks introduces a unique blend of artistry and technology. Number 1. Runway ML. Runway ML stands out as a versatile platform offering various creative AI models, including those dedicated to video generation. Its user-friendly interface empowers users to explore and apply cutting-edge AI algorithms to their video projects. As we conclude our exploration of AI video generators, keep in mind that these tools offer diverse capabilities, from artistic transformations to text-to-video conversion. The landscape of AI in video creation is dynamic, with constant innovations. Stay curious, experiment with these tools, and embrace the exciting possibilities that AI brings to the world of visual storytelling.